angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your weekly pick a card reading, charms reading, yes friends, for the week of 10th to the 17th of May 2020. I can't believe it, we are into May. This has been such a powerful and strange year, and finally we are into May. And what have we done till May except remaining at homes in quarantines? I hope you are all safe. That's my prayer for you. And this is a big week, friends, as we move into this week. So before I begin, friends, please do subscribe, like and share our channel. If you haven't already subscribed, friends, please do subscribe, like, share, and it really helps me and keeps me motivated, friends. I am working very hard to keep you all positive and work with spirit. So friends, it keeps me motivated when you like, share, subscribe, and I am not sleeping to keep you all happy, secure. And so friends, these are general readings. They may resonate or they may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also friends, these are timeless readings. Whenever you come across them, they can help you out, even though they are for this week. But you know, the intention is that whenever you watch them, the charms and other messages are going to help you out in some way. Also friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com. Friends, I think again there is some issue with the lighting, so it happens, you know that. So without further ado, let's take a deep breath, relax. It's a charms reading, friends. Yes, relax, take a deep breath, choose pile 1, this beautiful third chakra archangel Shamuel. Beautiful. The choices today are all angels, archangels, because this is a big week and I had to do this reading because Spirit was guiding me to do this reading. And I hope, do forgive me if it's not in your language. Please do forgive me. You can always enjoy and watch the charms. I am trying my best to cover both languages, friends. Thank you for supporting me. And Archangel Shamuel, third chakra, choice 1, pile number 2, Archangel Metatron, pile 3, Archangel Uriel, 7th chakra. So relax, take a deep breath, choose pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section, friends, so you can directly choose your timestamps from there. You can also choose more than one pile, or you can watch the entire video, friends. If you feel drawn towards watching the entire video, go for it. No, not a problem. Let us see. So for pile number 1, what is coming for you this week? Archangel Shamuel, third chakra. Archangel Shamuel is all about love. It is all about relationships. So I feel the theme for you, pile number 1, this week is love. It is about relationships. It is about you rising out. Number 37. Number 37 is the number, you know, 3 is about communication, 7 is Neptune. So communications in love, clarity, healing, all those are the theme for you. Let us see what will happen. We will look at the charms also. So these are the messages of romance angels. We're gonna look at them in the end. This is your advice card for the week. We're gonna look at that also. So why is this week important, friends? Because we have all the planets in retrograde this week. So it is a big week and everyone is going to feel the energy of the retrograde. I feel you are already feeling like things are standing still, there is nothing moving. And as we move from 10 to 17, this energy will grow and become more. So Venus will be going retrograde on 13th of May. On 11th of May, Saturn is going retrograde. On 14th of May, Jupiter is going retrograde. So woohoo. This is big energy, friends, big energy, and everything is trying to hold us, you know, relax us. So This reading is a must, and I hope you will try and understand the languages, both the languages. I think we are in times where we must try and learn and cooperate with things, because the times are such unique. We have never been through such times. So let's see, so much of talking, let's just jump into it. Two of Cups, beautiful. The Chariot and the Strength, and Eight of Swords and the Hermit. Oh my god, absolutely no wonder you chose Archangel Samuel. Love is the theme for you. There is intuition and discontent. Wow. Wow, I feel you are going to feel like, there is something holding you back this week, or you feel like until now something has been holding you back. Something has been not like, either something is holding you back, or something is not clear in your life, like some sort of a clarity is missing from your life. But this week all those things are going to shift. Up till now, maybe right now also, you are feeling like, some situation is not clear, you feel unhappy about it. Maybe you are single and you feel very unhappy, and this is the card of the lockdown. This is the ultimate quarantine card. You can see we are all locked inside. This person is locked inside the swords, but this, the ropes are open, she can still walk out of it, but there is she's not trying. So you may start this week feeling like, something is restricted, something either in your love life or your career is restricting you, or something is blocked, something is not moving, and you need clarity, you need some time for it. I also feel if you are in a relationship, your partner may be feeling very restricted, some limited blocks, some limiting beliefs are affecting. Maybe you are in a long distance relationship which has been going up and down to someone comes in and out of your life, or this person has not been in touch with you from a long time, but I feel they are still thinking about you in your love life. There is a person who is thinking about you and they want to come towards you, but they feel restricted. They feel like, because of the world situation, or maybe because of some situation happening in their life, they cannot come towards you, and they feel frustrated about it, and they are feeling very discontent about it. I also feel you may be feeling very unhappy about some situation in your life, like work, career, love, relationships. Like, oh my god, why I'm not happy, what is this that I need? You feel like something is missing out right when you start the week, but it is not how you're gonna end the week. You are going to find progress. Sorry friends, you are going to find this Chariot. Things are going to work for you. Someone, I feel, is charging ahead towards you. A relationship is going to find some sort of a movement, or maybe your love life is going to progress. I also feel for some of you, if you are single, you will find the clarity or what is missing, and this will make your love life progress. I also feel if you are in a twin flame relationship, you can expect some healing to happen, and strength. You and your person are very strong this week. You are Strength, they are Hermit, so you both are in same energies. 8 and 9, I think, both are the same energies. So you are coming, like, you are the strength or the light for someone. You are holding the torch for someone in your relationship, especially if you are in a twin flame relationship. I also feel for others, there will be a commitment coming your way, definitely, or someone from your past is thinking about you. You are also thinking about them. You had a relationship with this person. We'll clarify with the charms, but I definitely feel a love relationship is going to get back on track. It has not been working properly since a long time. It has been an on and off energy. Also, I feel like, if you are single, you may meet someone online, and this could be the one you will end up with, or things will start the friendship will be good between you and this person. Even if you are married and you feel like things are stuck, things are slow, you are not happy, or your partner is not happy, there will be some action and some forward progress and communications opening for you this week. Absolutely, people from your past will also be coming back. I also feel that if you have any health issues up till now, you can expect healing to happen in your health issues. You are very strong and you are very, very powerful this week. And this week is all about love, whether it is with your friends or family or ex-lovers, wives, husband, wife, twin flames. This is about love. You want to know what you want in love, what you need in love, or someone else wants to come and offer you this Two of Cups of happiness. If we talk about career, you definitely feel like it's not going, the career is, you are not happy with your career right now, or the way things are right now in the world. You feel like very unhappy. You want a change. You want a change. You want things to progress. You want forward momentum. And I think some of you could also be deciding this week to change a job, or what is their life purpose. There are some confusions regarding that. You feel like you are restricted in your current job or career or education, so you are trying to figure out what is it that will make you happy. And I think you will figure it out, and this is going to bring you forward movement in your career and education. I feel something from, if you want to go for higher education and you were feeling like things were not opening up or something, I feel maybe you can start some online course there or something. It will something will progress for you this week, and it will be very beneficial for you. It will be a destined thing, and I feel you should follow your intuition this week, inner child. Your intuition is very strong, so you should not doubt your intuition this week. And you have Archangel Samuel, so definitely, if you feel someone is thinking about you, absolutely they are thinking about you. If you feel like there is a block in your love life, you feel like this is the block, if you are able to identify the block, yes, you are right, because your intuition is correct, and Archangel Samuel is here to help you this week and remove blocks, discontentment. Someone, either you or someone else is unhappy, and that will shift this week for you. Let us see your advice card for this week. Oh my god, you have another fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael, for advice. So absolutely a major healing week for you, friends. I feel after this week, or maybe after 2 weeks, your love life is going to look very different and positive than what you expect right now. Archangel Samuel 3 and 8, so definitely 38, or number, I feel number 2, 11, 17, 18 are important for you. There is a lot of healing that is going to take place in your love life, your family relationships, your marriage areas, your inner child issues, and your career also. So stay open and stay relaxed, and call upon Archangel Raphael to help you. And this Two of Cups of happiness is coming. I feel someone from your past is thinking about you. Someone wants to make a move towards you, or maybe they want to call you. We'll see with the charms who is this person. I feel things will be progressing. That is what you want. You want movement, you want progress. You just cannot wait anymore. You don't want to wait, and you have waited, you have worked hard. Whether it is your finances, your love life, you are going to get that happiness, whether it is in love, career, or education. Let's see your romance angels messages. Retreat, it is time to disconnect from the world. So I feel some of you could be taking some time this week to focus on yourself, or focus on a relationship, or someone you like or care, or your crush or your twin flame. They may be trying to reach out to you, or they had been taking time from you and this partnership, and they will connect with you. Engagement, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment, so definitely a healing is going to happen. And some of you could meet the person you are engaged to, or you will be engaged to in the future. Also, some of you could be getting a contract or some sort of a deal, or love relationship is coming your way. If it is not that, I also feel there could be some awakening, like a clarity is coming to you, and it helps you fly, it helps you to fly. break the chains and fly. I hope you get my point. So let us see your charms. I am super excited for you now. I want to know what is happening. Let's see pile number 1. What will happen this week for pile number 1, 10 to 17. Okay, so pineapple, definitely you feel life is not going as you planned. You feel life is like, you feel the discontentment. You feel like, it is a happy sad thing. You are not really very happy about life right now, but I feel it is going to improve. You don't have to worry about it. Let us see first the letters. We have the letter D is here, L is here. I hope it is not an R, because it goes into an LDR. So maybe you are worried about a long distance relationship. So let's see, we have LED. So maybe LED is important for you. I feel LEDs are L, E, D and Y is important initials for you or letters for you, friends. I feel LED also shows light. So light is coming your way, friends. Light is coming, healing is coming. The green boot is about luck. I feel this week it is for you about health and healing. Archangel Raphael is here, so something is healing in your life. You don't have to worry about it. It is taken care of. You may be questioning why something is happening, why you are stuck, why things are not moving, because the timing is now. And there is a green house and there is a red house. So I feel someone and you could be at a distance from each other, and there will be a movement from this place to this or something like that, or some of you are shifting your homes, or you could be able to meet your family, get a permission from the lockdown, meet your family or friends. I feel there is that issue of shifting homes, meeting friends, or moving in with a partner or something. Number 31 is important as your birth date or something like that. We also have the clown, the little child, and we have the card of intuition, inner child. So I definitely feel this week someone and you are healing their inner child. You are healing your inner child, and focus on what makes you happy. There is a teacup also, like teacup. So yeah, focus on what makes you happy. Someone might offer you like or ask you out for a date, or maybe someone will offer you some comfort this week, some healing this week. Maybe you will watch our channel a lot, so you will find that comfort and joy from our channel, Magic Vans Tarot. Maybe that's what can help you. I also feel there is this bead. So someone may offer you, oh my god, it's stuck now. So someone may offer you some peace, something peaceful in this week. Also, yellow car is like, you should focus on positive things. You have a choice this week not to focus on the bad side, because a lot of good things are coming your way. Let us see, your cat is important. So some of you could be worried about health of a pet, or a dog or a pet, or maybe you want to get a pet or something. So yeah, this is a good week for that. Ladybugs are all about luck, friends. So luck is coming your way. Absolutely, this is a very lucky week for you. 7 of air. Someone has ghosted you, someone has rejected you, and there is a situation, love relationship, that's not going well. It could be at work also, where someone has cheated you and you don't feel very happy, like your job is very toxic. You feel that way and you want to change it. There is the 7 of air, here is the 8 of air. So yeah, there is definitely, and for friend is here. So maybe you had a falling out with a friend was not in contact, you had an issue with a friend or a lover, and they are coming back and with an offer of a friendship to you. And 4 of cups, and Prince of Wands, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person could be important to you. Yeah, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus could also be important to you. With 4 of cups, I feel like you feel like life is slow, but don't worry, this week is going to be full of movement, so you should not be worried about it. And dog is here, so yeah, cat and dog both are here. So maybe there is a cat and dog fight going on with somebody in your life, and you are like, I am frustrated, I want change. Oh God, oh God. So, friends, that's it for now. I really feel it's a great week for you, and keep shining as the LEDs here. And don't worry about anything. I am and this channel, and all of us are here for you. So, don't worry about anything. And that's it for now. This is Mystic C saying bye. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Join us on Instagram and as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Let's see, friends. Let's see, for those who chose pile number 2, how this week will be for you. For pile number 2, this beautiful Archangel Metatron 6 chakra, very nice, number 40, number 444. So you may be seeing a lot of 444, and this is about communication, wisdom, higher learning. Archangel Metatron is also about sacred geometry and knowledge, wisdom, spirituality. We'll see what this that is the theme for you actually. And romance angels, we're gonna look at them in the end. Advice cards for your week. Let's see how your week will be. The Hanged Man, the King of Cups, the Eight of Wands, the Justice. Okay, very nice. Ooh, the King of Pentacles. You have two kings, King of Cups, King of Pentacles. Ooh, choices in love are coming. 10 of Cups and invention and unconditional love. Oh my God, this is beautiful, friends. I feel this week, something is going to bring you justice. Something is going to happen which is going to bring you justice, and you are going to feel like, yes, finally things are moving the way. Finally I got my good reward. That is the energy, and you are very strong this week, friends. Very, very strong. No wonder you have Archangel Metatron, because you are in the position of power in this week. And if you could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus who are watching this, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. If you are these sun signs, this reading is more strong for you, more stronger for you, because you both are here in cards also. You could also be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I feel this week is like things are stuck. You feel like there is a situation which is stuck, which is not moving. Maybe it is a family situation, like you are stuck or in some fight, or maybe you are stuck with family. You are not with your husband, your wife, your friends. So you are missing out on something. But this week, messages are going to come. You are going to get a lot of messages. Communications are coming your way. I feel some of you in love could be meeting two people, or you are already with one person and you may meet to another partner, or a friend, or a soulmate. I feel definitely two people are coming your way or will be important to you. Maybe a twin flame and an ex-lover could come towards you. I also feel someone has done you wrong. Someone has done you wrong, pile number 2. I will clarify with the charms. We will see up with that. But I feel someone has hurted you or done you wrong, and some sort of a justice will happen this week, or a balance will come into the situation, and you'll feel finally things are going in the positive way. Maybe this situation was stuck. Maybe there was no communication since like a long time for you. Maybe you felt like, you have given hope on this connection or this relationship or this marriage, but things are going to balance out and communication will be coming. You will have this 10 of cups of happiness your way. You will feel the fulfillment and happiness and support. I also feel family is very important to you in this week. Maybe you will spend more time with your brothers, your friends or sisters, or your your father, or maybe if you are married, your in-laws. You will spend some time with them, and it will bring you a lot of happiness. And maybe if things were difficult with your in-laws or with your family, you can find some justice, you can find some peace there. I also feel, there is someone you have loved unconditionally. You are very giving, pile number 2. I feel you are very nurturing, you are very giving, and you are this king of cups. You love people, you give to them, you love to encourage people, or you are very supportive, loving. So I feel someone was not reciprocating that same love or giving that same love to you, but I feel this week justice will be done. Maybe how it will happen, it may be different for every one of you, but I definitely feel there is unconditional love coming towards you. You know, you have loved someone unconditionally, and I feel someone else may love you unconditionally too, or maybe the god and angels, they are going to love you unconditionally this week. So there is a lot of energy of love, happiness, joy. And also for some of you, if you are married or expecting a baby, I think you should focus on this infinite love, this unconditional love, divine mother, and things are going to get amazing for you, especially if you are looking for a childbirth. Some of you could be actually getting a childbirth or a baby, or maybe someone in your family is getting married or pregnant or something like that. Invention, let's see that. Creativity, guys, I think something is going to shift in your life in a positive way, and some of you should focus on your creative skills. Maybe you haven't painted or written that book from a long time, so it is time to do that now. If we talk about work and career this week, I feel like you are waiting for communications, you are waiting for news from career or job, or you are looking for a job, so you feel stuck, you are waiting for news, and you are trying your best to get that new job. For others, I feel if you're looking for a job, I think some sort of a justice will happen, some sort of a good news is going to come, or at least people will try to cooperate and help you out in finding a job, or maybe some other deal or business idea. Someone will try to help you. It could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Maybe it is your family that can help you to start a business, or maybe they will help you to get your work done. I feel if you are a student or into education and asking about that, this week you should focus on your other things also, like painting, arts, craft, your hobbies. I think that can also be important for you this week, because maybe that is what you will take up as a career ahead. So be open to creativity. Maybe you are good in singing, you never know. That could you could get a lot of views or supporters, or maybe a lot of appreciation. So especially if you are an artist, a creative person, and you are struggling right now, or you feel stuck right now in your job, justice will happen, friends. Justice will happen. Your hard work, your patience is going to pay off, and love and success will be yours. Let us see your advice card. See, patience, number 16. Oh my God, divine timing is at work in your life, friends. I think this is not the time, because Hanged Man is also here. So, this is twice the energy of patience. This is not the week to run into things or rush into things or be impatient. I think you are going to really enjoy this week if you focus on what you have already and focus on your creativity, talking, sharing knowledge, acquiring knowledge. Learn new things, have fun, and know that what is best for you is coming for you. Let's see your romance angels messages. Healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So absolutely, I feel like uh, family is important this week. Maybe your lover's family is affecting your, or your marriage is affected by your family. Your love life is affected by your family, or some childhood issues. I feel you are working and healing and releasing. So that is why this weight is here, because you are doing the work, you are already healing it, you are on the right path. So your rewards are just round the corner. You don't have to wait longer, friends. I want to see what are your charms, because now this is interesting. What sort of a justice is going to happen? I want to know that. angels for pile number 2. What will happen for pile number 2? Wow, lots of, again the pineapple is here. I think this is about, don't, you have survived this long, so you can survive a little more, you can survive this patience. I know some of you, when you saw the patience card, you were like, oh my god, oh my god, don't ask us to wait anymore. But I think, you are very tough. You are a tough cookie. And which is your favorite cookie? Let me know in the comment section. So you are tough, friends. You are tough. Lots of words are here for you. So yeah, let's see. Maybe a lot of people are important for you. I feel a lot of people are important. Maybe. Let's see. Wow, there is G. I hope you can see. This bead will keep moving. I'm keeping it here. This is another bead. So there is G, there is N, there is H, there is S, SH, L, C, and T, and R. Wow, lots of words are here. So maybe these people are important to you, or these words or initials are important. G, N, S, H, L, C, T, R, and there is this 3 of hearts. So focus on what brings you happiness, friends. Focus on your joy, focus on your happiness. Maybe some of you are in third party situations, because I did felt like 2 people are there. If you are single, you may find 2 lovers. If not, you could already be in a third party, or you feel there is a third party. But I feel it's going to reward. Justice is coming your way. Don't worry about it. And there is the Cinderella shoe here. So absolutely some wish come true will happen for you this week. And I feel that is, you have worked hard. Like Cinderella suffered a lot until she found her Prince Charming, or whatever she was looking for. It's not just about love. So you had been working hard, friends. Justice and your rewards are coming. Don't give up. Venus is here. So maybe someone beautiful or something beautiful, or also Venus is about arts and craft, like this creativity, invention. So focus on your art, focus on your craft. Asia is important. 2 of cups. A love relationship is absolutely coming your way. There is the 2 of cups here. King of coins is here, and I have the King of pentacles here, friends. So absolutely that is the same King of coins, King of coins. That is why I love doing charms. So Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is important. King of Air is also here. So an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini could be important for you. Let us see what else. 6 of Wands. Yes, you are on the right path. Progress will happen like this. 8 of Wands. 6 of Wands is also forward progress, recognition, rewards. And we have the Prince of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel, friends, you are feeling very, very passionate this week and very bold. You want to just go ahead and charge. But I think you should keep in mind the card, patience. And soulmate. So yeah, definitely a soulmate is coming for you. February is important. So maybe something happened in February, or you met this person, the soulmate of yours, in February, or you will be meeting them in February. Cycles. So something has been going in cycles, repeating cycles. Maybe this third party, or maybe there is a family situation, your lover, you and your family. So there is a triangle here. It is going to be resolved, and your home is important. Healing family issues, that is important this week. I want to see what this justice will be about. Let me just grab the deck. Angels, what? Oh my God. Angels, what justice is coming for pile number? Wow, pay attention. See, pay attention to your dreams. Notice repetitious signs and your inner guidance, so you can, so it can yield valuable information. I feel you are on the right path, and something is going to be revealed, and that maybe a soulmate is coming. Maybe you will see repeating signs, numbers, songs, messages, because you have the 2 of cups, you have the soulmate here. You also have the 6 of wands and cycles. So maybe in work also, there is recognition coming your way. Just notice the signs, because that is what is telling you that you are on the right path. And you have the orange bead, so it is about passion, taking charge, and positivity. The red bead is about Mars. So definitely, I told you, you are very, very positive. You're, a very passionate connection could also come your way. That is what I feel. So that's it for now, friends. And control CTR is like control alt delete in computer. So uh, I don't know why. Maybe that's important for you. Maybe that's related to your work, your career. So some changes are coming. And they will be very positive. And stay open to the signs and messages you are getting this week. And a happy week ahead. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, join us on our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And to buy, join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot, friends. Let's see, for those who chose option number 3, Archangel, option number 3, Archangel Uriel, 7th chakra, how your week will be. Archangel Uriel is about information, psychic information, intuition. 7th chakra is the third eye chakra. Psychic intuition, mediumship, and telepathic communications. Romance angels, we're gonna look at the end. Advice for this week for you, we're gonna look at that also. Let's see how this week will be for you. I have the charms here, the page of wands, the 4 of wands, ooh, wedding, marriage, the king of swords, the 3 of wands, the 9 of cups, and the 4 of cups. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. And you have pleasure and you have purpose. Wow, this is beautiful. Master teacher, divine goddess. I feel some of you are going to find your twin flame this week, or you are going to connect with them spiritually or maybe telepathically. If you don't know your twin flame, you are going to connect with them spiritually, I feel, or telepathically. So there is this telepathic connection happening, because there is a purpose and there is pleasure also. Wow, I also feel for some of you, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person will be important this week, or you are an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I also feel Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important, or you are an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Friends, I feel this week is very important for you, because your wishes are going to come true. And I feel you have waited so long for this wish to come true. Something is going to manifest for you, and it may not show you this week, but maybe in the coming weeks. But it will start in this week, because all the planets are going in the retrograde. It has never happened this way, that Jupiter and Saturn, Venus and Pluto, all these planets are retrograding all together. So this is going to bring you a special wish come true movement for you. I feel this week, for some of you, I feel this is someone who was not talking to you, who was at a distance from you. You were in separation with this person and there was no contact. Maybe this person is born in May, or something happened in April or May, or maybe March with this person. I feel someone has been keeping their heart closed and their feelings closed, not showing you what they feel. Will confirm with the charms also. But I feel this person is going to make a move towards you, and they are going to offer you some sort of a commitment. I feel this person is going to make a move and come towards you, or show some commitment. And this is a twin flame relationship for some of you. I feel it could be they could be from Europe, New South Wales, Australia, New Zealand, Dubai, or some other area. I feel there is a difference of age and nationality and culture also. It could be a same-sex relationship for some of you. I also feel if you are really single, a new person is going to come your way, and I feel you may not be open to this person. You will not accept them easily. You will draw your sword. You will be like, oh, I don't want a relationship, oh, just stay away. You will try to maintain your distance. That is what I feel, because I think you had been through a lot, but you deserve this progress that is coming your way. This is your Nine of Cups of happiness. For others, I feel if you already know or in a relationship, chances of getting married or getting, final commitment or acceptance from your family or something, that will happen for some of you. I also feel someone is not talking to you. They are going to say, let us clarify, what is this Nine of Cups about? What is the wish coming true? See, ready, steady, go. Now is the perfect moment to dive in and follow your heart's desire. So, for some of you, the wish come true is that you will find the opportunity you are looking for, whether it is in love, work, or career. For others, a new opportunity is coming, like a new relationship, or a renewed or past lover is coming back, or you are going to connect with a new friend, and you should take that up because that's your wish come true, definitely. I feel if we talk about work, I feel, some of you are confused regarding your life purpose, or you feel your life purpose is changing. You want something new, more expansion in your career, more finances. I feel this week you should take care of your finances and not spend too much, because I definitely feel you feel like finances are coming in slowly right now. But in your career, in your career there is expansion. I see that there is going to be an expansion, and some of you could start, decorate your home, or spice up your home in some way. Like, if you are working from home right now, I see you cleaning and changing your home or your decorations of the home, so that you can manage more space and work better. I feel some of you, if you are really young or in colleges and all those things, I think you are finding the purpose, you are finding your purpose. Or even if you are elder and working already, I feel your life purpose is shifting. So there is going to be this something is shifting in your career, or some revelations are going to happen, because you have the seventh chakra. So something will be revealed to you, some information that you needed, some clarity, and you are going to connect with your life purpose, your career's goal, or why you are here. Or maybe in your relationship also, you are going to find out why something was not working out, or why some relationship is coming in your life and that will work out. Purpose is coming your way, friends. And I also feel in your career, communications will be important, especially if your boss is there, or if you have a teacher or mentor. You need to be careful how you communicate, because with so many planets in retrograde, some tempers may fly, or communications can be taken in the wrong way. Frustrations can happen, so be careful. Focus on the lighter side of life. Pleasure, divine goddess. I feel some of you could be taking some time also to focus on yourself, your body, your hair, your sleep. You're drinking more water, exercising more. You are like, I'm gonna love myself and nobody can stop me now. And it's good. I think it's good, because uh, some of this is what you need to attract this new love, or this finances, or this better job. Also, I feel some of you could indulge in a lot of food or drinking, so stay careful, friends. Something I need to say, because I saw that, so stay careful, balanced. You can overindulge in pleasure. You can overindulge in pleasure this week. You are like, yeah, I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna love myself. Nobody can stop me, and people are also going to be attracted towards you. So yeah, it's a good week, and marriages, family, home, commitments, partnerships, work, and both work and career partnerships are important. Let's see your advice for this week. Victory. So I definitely feel victory is like, some spiritual victory is coming your way because you have the seventh chakra, Uriel, Archangel Uriel. So definitely I feel spiritually you are being rewarded. You have worked very hard. I feel you have really worked very hard on finding this self-worth, this pleasure, whether it is in your career, you have worked hard, whether it is in your love life, you have shown patience. Everything is going to be, it is, your victory is coming. You are very close to this spiritual victory and it is yours. And caring connection, so definitely for some of you, your spiritual hard work is paying off, your patience will pay off, and it will lead to a caring connection coming into your life, number 14. Or also I feel for others it could lead to a new work alliance or partnership, which is beautiful. Or you may meet a soulmate from your work or online dating, etc. I also feel if you are a student, you will have a nice time talking and meeting old friends, also school friends, childhood friends. And also someone from your past can return back, like some friends you lost along the way, they could also come back. It will bring you a lot of pleasure. Some steamy hot dates can happen, like hot dates, like someone you had a crush on in school and you reconnect with them this week, or they come and talk to you, or you meet online, something like that. So let's see your message. True love. This is the romance of a lifetime. So for some of you, definitely a true love is coming towards you, or something regarding a true love or true commitment will be revealed to you this week, because this is about information coming. It could be a relationship coming, or a job coming, or it could be the information that where is this person, who is this person, that could be coming your way. Let us see your charms, because I want to know what's more happening in your week. Profile number 3, how this week will be, friends. Angels, profile number 3. Okay. Wow, see, commitment. Definitely, marriage is important for some of you. You are either you have decided to get married, or someone is going to offer you marriage, or maybe, you will meet someone that eventually you will end up with. Wow, that's interesting. Number letters are BAVELW. I think that's it. I'm gonna keep the beads here because they keep rolling. So, can you make a word? There is lava, there is love, but I feel this is like lava. So yeah, volcanic, passionate desires. Someone sees you as a goddess or a god. Someone is very attracted towards you this week, or you may be very attracted to someone. I also feel this is like, it is not just about love. You could also be very attracted to something in your life, like a hobby, or maybe you are attracted to teaching or spirituality, because it is your life purpose, so you should follow it. Lava, volcano, and pleasure, love, life purpose. And what other words can you make from LAVEWB? Aves, I think birds might be important, or flying free. I think flying free, and you have the owl also, so birds could be an important signs to for you this week. Sorry friends, you may see some birds flying, like birds coming into your life, or some sort of a message they are bringing a message for you. Maybe a Labrador dog is important for you, or maybe the person who is coming has a dog, or you both want to have one, something like that. There is bee here. So be happy, that is what I feel. Be happy. There is also apple here. So you are the apple of someone's eye, I feel, this week. So focus on that and enjoy the love that is coming your way. You have the commitment ring here. Number 23 is important for some of you. Maybe birth date of yours or someone else. We have the owl here, and you have the 7th chakra, Archangel Uriel. Oh my god, this is a highly intuitive week for you. This is a destined week for you. 9 of cups. So either maybe spiritually you will awaken, or you will grow in some way. Something will become clear to you, and birds are important. Here is a bouquet, and interestingly, you have the bouquet. And the thing that I was seeing here is that this person coming is holding a bouquet of flowers. So something is going to come your way, friends, which will be like life changing, or which will bring you happiness. It could be from work, it could be from love. And you have the wheel of fortune. Wow, this is amazing. This is like destiny. Wheel of fortune is like things turning in your favor, and this is the perfect time for you. And Spider-Man, this I have never seen it come twice, but now it has come twice. One in another reading also it came. Spider-Man, someone is coming your way. Maybe it is your Wonder Woman or your Spider-Man, or you are going to feel super Spider-Man, like super Spidey. You are the super spider, you can do anything, superhuman this week. But I feel for some of you it is an opportunity or love that's rushing in for you. And the bow, so definitely someone has very beautiful and pure feelings for you, and someone is feeling very romantic about you, and they want to tell you that. There is the drum beat here, so something will be, some information will come your way. We have the King of Wands, we have the page also here, Page of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. We have yellow here, so happiness is coming, and pleasure is also about that. Pleasure is like being happy. And we have the Seven of Air, so maybe there is a fight going on with someone, and you are, oh my god, we have the Three of Wands, and we have the Three of Wands. Oh my god, this is insane. Look at this. We have the Page of Wands, we have the Three of Wands, and in the charm also. So this is a double energy. Things are going, what you are waiting for something to happen, and it is going to come your way, friends. This is the strong double energy of it. And we have the Seven of Air. So maybe something has been taken away from your life, or you are not being given that thing right now. Maybe it is marriage, maybe it is money, maybe it is that career you need. It is coming, friends. Luck is with you. A soulmate is here. A soulmate is also coming for you. So it is a great week, and you have Pearl. So someone has a lot of beautiful feelings for you, or you have a lot of deep emotion for someone. Someone sees you as the goddess or the god. Someone really is passionate about you. The red bead and the white bead, I feel news and messages from spirit are coming, because we had the card of divine victory. Spiritual messages are coming your way. So stay open for that. That's it for now, friends. I hope this reading resonated with you. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. And if you want to buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicwandstarot.com. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.